Oh. Oh, welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching.
I'm Walter.
And I'm having a blast.
It's Thursday, October 6th, National Coaches Day, National Noodle Day, National German American Day, and National Mad Hatter Day.
Let's get to today's announcements.
We're going to start today with homecoming voting. Thank you to all of you who voted for the first round, but now we've moved on to the second round. Leadership has narrowed down the list for homecoming court down, and you're going to vote for 3. Check for your email for a link to the ballot. Vote today!
And speaking of homecoming, the shirts are in. They say HOCO, which is short for homecoming. These shirts are your ticket to the dance and are available for purchase at lunch in the ticket booth in the Commons. Each shirt is $15 with ASB and $20 without. You must buy and wear the shirt to attend the dance. Get yours today.
Volleyball had 2 matches last night, both played over Redmond High. The Ravens took care of our crosstown rival Panthers in straight sets, but the Lava Bears continued to be too much as Ben beat Ridgeview in their rematch. The girls head to a tournament this Saturday before their last set of league matches next week. Go Ravens!
International Studies Program students, listen up. There will be a meeting in Miss Koike's room A121 on Monday during lunch. They need to plan fundraising efforts to help pay for their trip in March. So if you're going, be there.
This Friday and Saturday, the drama department will be presenting their fall radio plays. There are 3 plays, all directed by students. Shows are Friday night and Saturday afternoon and night, and tickets are $5 per student. Come see the show.
Lip sync practices are still going on. For seniors, you're meeting in the gym after school today and at lunch and after school on Friday. Juniors are in Mrs. Waybright's room at lunch today and after school Friday. Sophomores, you are meeting in the mat room after school on Thursday and Friday. Freshmen, you are meeting every day at lunch in Mrs. Crawford's room. Get involved in this epic tradition.
How many Raven reporters does it take to bake a cake? We went to find out with a twist. Brandon can't talk, Zach can't see, and Dylan can't hear. Let's see how they did.
Okay. What? I need water, oil, and eggs. Okay, wait. Here's a quarter cup. Oh wait. No, that's only 1 cup. He needs this one. I'll tell you when to stop. And stop. Perfect. Okay, we need to put the cake mix in one of the bowls too. What do you mean? That's 1 1/4. I'm gonna put the mix in the bowl. Get the lid off the vegetable oil. There you go. Okay, now there's a table to your left. 1 bag of red velvet cake mix. Okay, good. Go, keep going. Oh yeah, okay, that's perfect.
Okay, more eggs or what?
In the cup.
I'm so scared. What is in here? I use my right hand to stir a pot.
Is this a non-stick pan? Do we know? Okay. Zach, turn around. You're gonna put this bowl. There's a counter right here behind you. Just put it down. Amazing. The batter is fire.
Dude, that's so good.
We need... No! Zach is not putting the cake batter in. Okay, we gotta do the food coloring. Food coloring and icing. Blue and purple. Oh, purple.
Was this food coloring? Do I just start dripping or what?
It's all around the side. That's gonna be like deep purple. There's some on the sides.
Am I touching it? No.
Yo, this looks nuts.
I'm good.
Right here?
Okay, go. Yeah!
Another scoop, yes or no?
Oh, this looks amazing.
Okay, it's over the cake, right? We good? Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna write. I don't know if it's working or not.
Wait, what is this supposed to say, bruh?
Yes.
Introducing, ladies and gentlemen, the bruh cake.
Well, thanks for watching.
And that's our show for today. Oh, we're on camera. That's our show for today. As always, check out our YouTube page at youtube.com/RidgeviewRavens.
I'm Walter.
And I'm having a great time.
Have an epic day, stay safe, and stay classy.